Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now in today's video, I quickly just want to show you guys how I maintain my rod sets, my twist styles throughout the week, and how I keep moisture in my hair throughout the week. I don't like to go in every day and manipulate my hair and retwist my hair or apply rods and curls or styling methods. I don't like doing that on a daily basis because I feel like with our hair, it's best when you don't manipulate it too much. So I like to style my hair 1 to 2 times a week, max 2 times a week, and maintain it throughout the rest of the days. All right, so this is day 3 hair. This is day 3 hair. I did my hair, day 1 was Tuesday and today's Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this is day 3 hair, and it's still looking fluffy. I have not had to go in and re-moisturize my hair. If you didn't see my previous video, this is the same style. I used the Melon hair care products, the oil and also the styling cream to achieve this twist and curl style. Now it's not as defined as it was on day 1, but I like it better this way because I feel like it has more volume, it's more thicker, and it's not as, like, you know what I'm saying, curly. I actually like this look. I like the fro, you know what I mean? The more the curls like drop, the better I feel like it looks on me. So here's what I've been doing, y'all. Okay, you know, you've always heard in the natural hair community, when you go to sleep, make sure to sleep with a satin cap, a silk cap, or get a satin pillowcase. And finally, I have a silk pillowcase, y'all. This pillowcase is so freaking soft, and it is from the company Lily Silk, and they were kind enough to send this pillowcase to me a couple of weeks ago, and I've been loving this so much. Now y'all, I am a wild sleeper. If I go to sleep with a bonnet on my head, even a scarf, sometimes it won't, especially a scarf, it won't stay on my head the whole night. Usually it'll slip back, and I do find that I have to wake up in the middle of the night. As soon as I feel something is missing, I wake up in the middle of the night to readjust. If you're sleeping on a cotton pillowcase or cotton anything and rubbing it against your natural hair, it can dry your hair out. So whenever that happens, I don't worry. I don't have to get up quickly and rewrap my hair because I have this silk pillowcase, and I know it's gonna protect and keep that moisture that I work so hard to put in my hair in my head throughout the week. So yeah, why spend all that time to moisturize your hair and seal the moisture with oil and do all that if the moisture is just gonna be gone in a day or two? I don't like that, you know what I mean? I like to keep my hair as moisturized without reapplying product for as long as possible, and I feel like this pillowcase really does help. Guys, this feels wonderful, and this is 100% mulberry silk, so that's why it's so soft. I feel like, oh my god, yeah, this is bomb. So yeah, if you don't have a silk pillowcase, a satin pillowcase, I recommend a silk pillowcase. Make sure you get you one. It's a game changer. I used to think, I'm trying to tell you, I used to be like, whatever, why all these rules? Why, you know, some of these rules I'm still like, okay guys, enough with the natural hair stuff, like enough. No, but this has made a world of difference, and I do realize that my hair has been keeping that moisture in it for a longer period, and I don't have to go back and reapply as quickly as I used to. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do on a daily basis to preserve my style. In addition to the silk pillowcase, I'm rubbing on it, y'all. This is so freaking soft, but whatever. Yeah, okay. So in addition to the silk pillowcase, Lily Silk also sent me this cap. Oh my god. Now y'all know I usually go in with my scarves. I have a brown one, I have a red one, and I have a whole bunch of other ones. Yeah, I usually go in with those. I've been doing that for the past couple of years, but ever since I've been using this cap, y'all, this is different. It's the material, it's silk, all right? It's not satin, it's 100% mulberry silk, and I can't explain. I can't explain. It's just really soft, y'all. And because of the way that they designed the cap, I don't experience it going back, pulling against my edges, or even just falling off throughout the night. But even though it doesn't come off throughout the night, I still like to sleep on my silk pillowcase just in case, you know, I'm having a wild, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Alright, so let me show you guys exactly what I do. Y'all gonna be like, wait, why did it that easy? I'm trying to tell y'all that easy. In my previous preserving my hair videos, I've shown you guys how sometimes I'll do big sections and add rubber bands. I don't even do that no more. I don't do that anymore. No. First off, I'm tired, okay? A long day of work. I come home at night. My kids are driving me crazy. Ain't nobody got time to be restyling their hair every day or redoing too much. I don't do it. I take about 2 to 3 minutes on my hair every night before I go to bed, and let me show you what I do exactly. Now, watch this, watch this. I'm just gonna push this up a little bit, just like that. Easy, easy. Push the back up a little bit. So basically, forming a little puff. Just bringing it upwards so that it's not falling on my face, okay? So I'll be back tomorrow morning to show you guys the takedown and day 4. Alright guys, it is the next morning and I'm just gonna take this down. Don't be alarmed, y'all. When you first take off your bonnet, your silk bonnet, things may look a little crazy, but watch, 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 okay? Now, of course, I'm not just gonna take this off and walk out the door like this. No, 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 no. I am simply going to start separating my hair and shaping it back into the style that I want it to be. A lot of people get intimidated with this step. They see their hair and they're like, oh my God, you know what I mean? But no, you have to go back and shape it. Gonna take a wide tooth comb, or if you have your hair pick, I can't find mine. Mine is here somewhere, but I don't have time to look for it. Just gonna continue separating and fluffing. Hair is still super soft, super moisturized. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the back. And this is day 4 hair, y'all. And this is how I preserved my hair overnight. Super easy, right? My hair is still so fluffy and soft. No additional product needed. I'm just happy that as I go along this natural hair journey, that I'm finding new things to help me keep my hair as healthy as possible. And not playing with it and not manipulating it as far as adding twists and bantu knots, etc. every single day has really helped me retain length and also thickness. I'm gonna leave the links for both the bonnet and the silk pillowcase down in my description box, and make sure you use the coupon code so that you can get a 10% discount on whatever products you decide to purchase from this website. Thank you so much for tuning in. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram because I am posting on my Insta stories on a daily basis on hair updates, makeup, life, etc. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.